Hello children, welcome to your channel Sharda Educare, and in this video we will be learning corollary of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Cyclic quadrilateral theorem is already posted, you must have learnt it. Now this is the corollary children. So what does this corollary say? An exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Exterior means outside. Of which quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and CDE is an exterior angle. According to the corollary, exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is congruent, this angle is congruent to the angle. So this angle is congruent to the angle. To which angle? To the angle which is opposite. Now opposite to what? To its opposite to its adjacent angle. Now see, CDE is one angle and adjacent angle is which one? CDA. This is the adjacent angle. I am drawing it double and writing it as adjacent. Adjacent means just near. So let me colorful chalk use. See, this angle which is colored with pink is the adjacent angle to your exterior angle. So your exterior angle will be equal to the angle which is opposite to the adjacent angle. Now opposite to the adjacent angle is which angle? This angle. Clear? So here I'll use yellow color for it. This is your angle which is opposite to this angle, and this angle is adjacent to your exterior angle. So your exterior angle is equal to angle B. This is what you want to prove. Your exterior angle is CDE and angle CDE is equal to angle B. This is what you want to prove. Again I repeat, say children, angle CDE is an exterior angle. Adjacent to the exterior angle is what? CDA, and opposite to CDA is which angle? ABC. So we want to prove that angle ABC is equal to angle CDE. Let us write what is given. Given is exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is the thing which is given. ABCD quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic means all the vertices are lying on the circle. Clear? And what we want to prove? To prove CDE, which is an exterior angle. Angle CDE is equal to angle ABC. ABC children. Okay? Let us begin. Now it is given that it is a cyclic quadrilateral, and in the previous video which is already uploaded, I have told you before I begin with this that you must watch that video, then only you can understand it. Angle B, first thing, quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Reason is given children, and therefore angle B plus angle D, this angle, so let me name it as ADC is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. This is the first statement. Now you look for this angle angle CDE and angle CDA. What angle they are? Yes, they are. In 9th standard you have learned, in 8th standard you have learned, they are linear pair. They are on one line. And ADE are collinear. See, line A, D, E, point ADE are collinear and the angle is on one line, and therefore these two angles are linear pair. So I can say angle CDA plus angle CDE, CDA, CDE is equal to 180 degree. Second statement, reason is linear pair. Now see here, this two angle is equal to 180 degree. These two angle is equal to 180 degree. Can I make them equal to one another? Because both are equal to 180 degree. So I can easily write angle B plus angle ADC is equal to angle CDA means nothing but ADC. See, CDA or ADC is same only, na? Let me write here also ADC. ADC plus angle CDE. See, angle B plus ADC, angle B plus ADC is equal to 180. Angle ADC plus CDE is equal to 180. Therefore, they both are equal. Now, here what is same in both side? ADC is same, so I can cut that. So, I get angle B is equal to angle CDE. And CD is which angle? Exterior angle. Exterior angle. And angle B is which angle? Angle B is the angle which is opposite to adjacent angle of CDE. So hence proved, children. Please write it nicely. Now we have done cyclic quadrilateral theorem. In the previous video, I'll just tell you here one statement. If point ADCB theorem we have done in the previous video, that ADCB are cyclic, the points are cyclic, that means angle B plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. So converse of it will be what? Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180, then ADCB are cyclic. If sum of the opposite angle is equal to 180 degree, then the points are cyclic. Please refer page number 69 of your textbook for converse of cyclic quadrilateral, children. Thank you, children, for watching this.